Welcome back to another episode of Nick
and Matt.
I'm so excited for this.
What are you excited for? I think we'll vlog today, yeah?
Huh?
Should vlog today. It's your grandmother's 80th birthday.
You want to vlog?
Well, I figured you'd want to. You said we need one for next week.
Yeah. Let's vlog today, guys. So we're having pho for breakfast.
Pho.
Apparently it's like the F word, but without
Pho.
the K. Pho.
How do you say it?
Pho.
Pho.
Pho. So, yeah, we had a massive, we'll share some clips. We had a massive Vietnamese feast. Hey Google, stop music. Copyright issues. So we had a massive Vietnamese feast last night. It was so good. I'm just half getting ready right now. I have to still get changed. And we're gonna have some pho for breakfast. I'm so excited. Pho for breakfast.
That's one of the bowls.
We don't really have some pho bowls, so we're just using like random mixing bowls that we have, so.
Let's go. What I find really interesting that we just learned is pho is for breakfast, not for lunch or dinner like we eat here. So we're actually having it at like 9 in the morning for breakfast, which is kind of cool, kind of unique. Looking forward to it.
Put lime on it, like 2 of them. Okay.
You boomeranging?
Right. I should test that.
I can't help but not eat the broth.
Look at Sebastian's hair. How is it?
It's good.
Matt?
It's very good. Better than cereal. my new breakfast.
This is so good, guys. Alright, so we're in the car. Matt's driving as always. And so I don't know if Matt mentioned, but we're actually going to my grandma's 80th birthday. So my grandparents are here from Portugal, as you guys probably know already. And we're doing a big like celebration with all the familia, and we're going for like a lunch right now. And then we're going to my Aunt Debbie's and stuff for like coffee, cake, presents. And I got her this like really cute, well, like me and all the grandkids picked up this really cute, I guess like earrings, like they're like drop earrings from Thomas Sabo. Yeah, funny story, I got them yesterday and I thought it was from Pandora. And do you need a tissue, Mai?
No, it's okay.
So I was waiting in line at Pandora for 20 minutes. Like there's a lineup outside, and then I realized, I went in and I realized, oh, the earrings I put on hold isn't even from Pandora, it's from Thomas Sabo, and there was no lineup there. So, and these guys were like waiting outside for me. So anyways, that's the plan for today. It's another really cool day in Canada. So yeah, hopefully we don't have to walk outside today. Oat. Say something in Swedish.
Hejsan, grattis på födelsedagen mormor.
Oh, do I have any Swedish? I was gonna say people. I was gonna say viewers from Sweden. Comment down below if you know what Sebastian said. I'm sure there is. So okay, we're gonna put some tunes on. Sebastian's the DJ. What are you putting on? Here, I'll turn up the. Sebastian likes to sing. so we're just going to Walmart to pick up a birthday card for my grandma, Bertha. Yeah, hopefully they have something cute. Something for an 80-year-old grandma. And then Matt just has to return something and he has to pee, which I kind of have to pee too. Might as well go here, I guess. And then Sebastian and I stayed in the car because they are freezing. I don't blame them. But yeah, Walmart trip. All right, I'm in the birthday card section, or card section. Where's the birthdays? Okay, so I don't think these cartoon ones are gonna work. Wait, those are kids. Oh, these are kind of cute. I actually don't know what her favorite color is. These are really cute though. All right, this is the one I got. They don't have too much selection, but Matt says it's fine. All right, we have to go pick up something for Mai, and then we're gonna go get a car wash. Just wanted to show you my mama's outfit. So cute. We actually bought the exact same jackets. I know. They're so cute. No, it looks really cute.
Don't tell anybody.
I won't. Well, just
Can't wear them the same.
just a few thousand people are gonna know, but that's okay. So you excited for your mommy to be turning a big old 80?
Yeah.
It was funny, I was at Walmart looking for cards and there's like a couple near me. She's like, man, I gotta find a card for a 9-year-old. Where am I gonna find a card? I'm like, I gotta find one for an 80-year-old. And we're like searching. There's like, it stops
They're
at
hard
60.
to find. I think after a while there's, you know.
Are you sick?
Yeah, I have a cold.
Oh,
Yeah.
you sound
Yeah.
I didn't bring my bee spray. What color is what color is her eyes?
Get that coin, yeah. Get that coin, get that coin. That last one, oh, you missed that last one.
Matt's playing babysitter.
That's good. You got like all, you got 10.
Everybody's here. I think the food just got here, so everyone's lining up. And I'm gonna go line up and get some food. I'm gonna get some food.
Oh, why is the food up?
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't even know.
I'm hungry.
That's what does it look like? She asked if he's vlogging.
Eu vou já comprar uma coisa feia.
What'd you do?
Yeah, it goes together. Show everyone else.
Muita saúde, muita vida, beijinhos de nós
Okay, be very
todos,
careful.
Eric,
No, no, Ella,
Stefan,
one's
Fátima
gonna
e
hold.
Tony. Eve, I want
Go show everyone.
muitos.
No, behind me. Behind me.
Thank you.
Oh, can I see?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, Ella's right in there like, what?
How young are you now?
Battery's definitely gonna die. Alright guys, so we totally forgot to end the vlog yesterday. Sebastian and I are on a flight right now back to London, which is really sad because they're like part of the Health Nut fam. They're just like becoming family members. We brought them over to my family's for my grandma's birthday and stuff. It was so much fun having them here, and we can't wait to hopefully see them either in London or if they come back to Toronto when it's actually sunny out. I think like the weather here traumatized them just a little bit. Okay, got a new battery. Where did I leave off? Anyways, it was really nice to have them here. My showed me how to cook some bomb Vietnamese food. We had the pho for breakfast. It was so good. I made notes, took photos and stuff, and I'll definitely have to like ask her more questions when I'm actually doing it. So I always feel like you see someone do it and you're like, yeah, I got it. And you're like, wait, I have no idea. So yeah, and I feel like I'm on a good high right now because I just did, so some of you know I've mentioned, and I think I mentioned in one of my January videos, but I'm working on more self-care stuff this year, right? Why are you laughing at me?
I was making a face.
Oh. And so anyways, I went to a doctor's appointment. I'm doing all like my blood work and stuff because I haven't done those in a couple years. So I'm doing that. I also, apparently it's covered by OHIP. If you, what are you doing?
Might not know what OHIP is.
OHIP, yeah, it's true. OHIP is like, our Canadian like health insurance, would you say? Oh no, it's Ontario. OHIP's Ontario, right?
Yeah.
Basically, you guys know we have like free healthcare for the most part in Canada. Which is really, really awesome. So like if you were to like say break your leg or something, you don't have to dish out like $4,000 to fix your leg. Like anything that's like critical, it's paid for. If you want something that's like cosmetic, it's not. Okay, Matt's telling me to wrap this up. Anyways, so what was I saying? Yeah, so anyways, I'm doing a lot of things this year to...
That's your mommy. Hello.
Hi.
Nicole's here.
Hi, Mom. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, long story short, I've been doing a lot of things to like work on myself, and I want to make 2018 like a self-care priority. So basically I did this really cool thing called brain light therapy, and it's like you sit in this massage chair and you have this like sunglasses on that do like light therapy, and you have like headphones that do like some like meditation stuff. It was really relaxing, and it's covered by OHIP. I'm like, what? So if you guys are interested, I'll link the clinic that I've been going to down below. Not sponsored or anything, but they have like, it's like a whole wellness center. So they have like naturopath, they have a chiro, they have RMTs, they have everything. So if you live in Toronto, like I highly recommend it. But yeah, so we gotta head out. We're going to Costco because we gotta get some stuff. We gotta restock because we're both like, we gotta eat healthy, exercise. We want some bikini bodies, right, Matt? Once the snow melts.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, just like most people, we ate a lot of indulgent foods over the holidays. So all I'm craving is green smoothies and healthy veggies and all that good stuff. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of vlogs you like. Oh, and let's do a question of the day. What is, since we're talking about self-care, what is one self-care habit or ritual that you are going to implement in 2018? Leave me a comment down below. Matt and I will leave ours in the comments, and I mean I have many, but I'll leave like one to kind of get the conversation going. Matt will leave his, right Matt?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you're just like the peanut gallery back there. Yeah, so oh my god, you can't even see the CN Tower right now. I'll show you guys, but yeah, leave that comment down below, and so I can read them all and we can all get inspired, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys. Sorry for the chatty outro. Say bye, Matt.
Bye, Matt.
What a bad
bad joke.
what a bad dad joke. Okay, bye guys. And that's where the CN Tower usually is. It's gone into the abyss.